This is a piano tutorial on the song Blowing in the Wind, this time as a piano accompanist. So this is even easier than playing as a soloist because you don't have to play the melody. You play the chord in your right hand, sing on top of that, and then the left hand just plays the root note down low as a bass note. So very simple here. And I'm going to show you the chords first in your right hand. First chord is going to be that D chord right there. D, F sharp, and A. Just do that in root position. Then you're going to go to a G chord, and that will be like this: D, G, and B. And back to D again. And then back to G. And back to D. It goes that a number of times. And then the end of the phrase is you go down to a G chord like this: B, D, G. Sleeps in the sand, and there's your A chord. A, C sharp, E, root position. Back to your D chord right there, root position. D, F sharp, and A. How many times must the cannonballs fly before they're forever banned? The answer, there's a G chord, B, D, and G. Soon, my friend, A, C sharp, and E is blowing. D, A, D, F sharp, blowing in the wind. B minor, B, D, F sharp. The answer, there's your G chord, B, D, G, is blowing. A, C sharp, and E in the wind. You can play it like that. This is the melody note. So that's pretty easy in the right hand, just 4 chords. So, and once you get that down, all you have to do is add the root note. So when I'm playing my D chord here, I'm playing a D note there. When I'm playing a G chord, it's a G chord. When I'm playing A, that's all there is to it. Very, very simple. And this is what it sounds like when you're all done. How many roads must a man walk down before you can call him a man? Yes, and how many seas must the white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? Yes, and how